In the Sonbhadra district of Uttar Pradesh, over the years the availability of safe and clean drinking water had become a real big challenge. Fluoride and iron contamination in the water had resulted to numerous ailments in the district. Joint pain and body ache, stomach pain, even cardiac and liver diseases were increasing substantially in the locality. District Mineral Foundation Sonbhadra had sanctioned Rs 33 lakhs to combat this acute situation. In the district, 145 villages were affected by fluoride contamination, while in 135 villages, iron contamination in drinking water had been recorded. For the purpose of safe and clean drinking water supply, DMF Sonbhadra had procured Fluoride and Iron Filtration Kit from the Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology and distributed it to 24,850 families across the district. It considerably eradicated the scarcity of safe and clean drinking water in the district, bringing smile to their faces.